Hi everyone, welcome back to my family's channel, The Happy Healthy Vegans. I'm Stephanie and today we're going to be making double chocolate cookies. I'm starting my Christmas baking and I'm hoping that these cookies make the cut because I'm going to be making a few different cookies, a couple bars, and I think a couple balls as well to make a couple tins for my mother-in-law and whatnot, so, and hopefully for our Christmas. So we'll see how this goes and if the kids like them. These double chocolate cookies I've never made before, so let's get to it and see how. First thing you're going to do is put 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed into a 1/4 cup of plant-based milk and let that do its thing. Also, don't forget to turn your oven on to 350 degrees and get that heated up. Next, we're going to add 1 cup chickpea flour. Forgot what that was called for a second. 1 cup sugar. 1/3 cup cocoa powder. 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt. We're going to add 1/4 cup of tapioca starch and then mix that together. Okay, now that I have my dry mix well blended, I'm going to add in my milk and flaxseed. My egg. 1 teaspoon vanilla. And a 1/4 cup canola oil. We're going to mix that up. Mix until it's all nice and moist and blended. Okay, I now have my dough mix. It's pretty thick. I'm going to fold in my chocolate chips and start putting my cookies on the cookie sheet. Alright, I got my cookie sheet here ready and I'm going to start dropping these cookies on. It's supposed to be like little balls. You want to give them lots of space because they grow apparently. So we're just going to do a couple on each. Okay. I think there's too many chocolate chips in here too. I know, heaven forbid I say something like that, but they just aren't sticking to the dough. They just keep falling out. So I think the next time I'd probably put 1/2 cup if I make them again. Okay, let me finish these and I'll show you the finished product. Okay, my double chocolate cookies are done. We're going to break one open. They look good. Let's try it. They're good. I wasn't sure because they kind of smelt a little odd. I think it was the oil I used. But they're really good. I would definitely make these again. Thumbs up. Give them a try. Let me know how you like them. Thank you for watching. Bye now.